ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ KCET ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರೂ ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಗೋ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? Hi, in this video we are going to see all the proper steps of KCET 2026 counseling processes.
Hi, myself Raju NC. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Let us briefly see the topics that we are going to see in the next few minutes. Step 1. Option entry. Detailed information about option entry. Step 2. Mock round. What is mock round? Step 3. Types of choices. Step 4. Mistakes while doing option entry. Firstly, option entry. I will suggest you to make a 4 column which indicates the college code, 2025 cutoff and branch. And also before this, please make a list of your niche that says interested college. For this, draw a 4 squares. In the first column, list your dream college, while in the fourth column, list a nearby college of your residence place, and then in the third column write the hostel's name that you are used to join, or write the distance between the college and the residence place. In the second column, write the hostel names that you stay when you used to get out of your residence place to join your dream college. By this, you will get a proper list of your colleges that exactly you are willing to join. Now you have the clarity of your colleges that you are going to get. Now come back to that 4 column page, list your colleges in an increasing order of your cutoff with respect to courses. By these steps, it will automatically arrange it in a priority wise that you all know. Firstly says dream colleges, secondly comes target colleges, thirdly comes safe colleges. And now, what is mock round? Why it is called as last chance? Because adding of new colleges and course and deleting the colleges and course and also rearranging your preference, this is the last chance. And also after this, no more addition
Of new colleges are done. Only you can delete the colleges or rearrange the colleges. To know how does choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 and choice 4 works, keep following my YouTube channel.